10 online jobs that pay $15 an hour or more for students in 2022. If you choose them wisely and are prepared to put in the effort, online jobs for students can be rewarding, well-paying, and the start of a great career. We are fortunate to live in a time when you may earn a living from home and earn a degree from a recognized university. If you're ready for the challenge, check out the list of the top work-from-home jobs. Finding an internet job will allow you considerable flexibility. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 online jobs that pay $15 an hour or more. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. The popular web jobs are not always straightforward to acquire, but once you do, you'll be able to develop lasting abilities that you could use to launch a career or a business. The first one is the online teacher. It's simple to assume that everyone else in college is succeeding when you yourself are, but the reality is that many students have difficulty passing their classes. By assisting them and imparting your knowledge to them, you can earn a living. However, don't end there with your college friends. You can also instruct children. You can aid a lot of students from elementary school to high school. Fortunately, you are not confined to your immediate location thanks to the internet. Children and people from all around the world can be taught. $13 to $20 per hour on average in the US. Work can be found on Wayzant and Tutor.com. 2. An assessor of search engines. Users' comments are used by search engines like Google and Bing to update their algorithms and improve user experience. One of the persons filling out feedback forms and informing them of what they need to do better may be you. $12 to $15 per hour on average in the US. LeapForce and Lionbridge are places to obtain employment. 3. Manager of social media. Every day, we all spend a significant amount of time on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and so on. You might want to think about making this your profession if you're accustomed to receiving plenty of likes or comments, or if you excel at inspiring people with your postings. Social media managers create communities on social media for businesses, interact with these communities, for instance by generating lots of comments, and persuade them to take some form of action, like reading a blog post, signing up for an email list, or buying a product. In order to increase a company's brand recognition, social media managers are essential. According to Indeed, the average US salary for employees is $62,000 per year. It depends on your marketing and negotiating abilities if you are a freelancer. Where to look for work in this industry, networking and contacting companies directly are the greatest ways to find chances. Start by searching for marketing agencies to see if they require assistance managing the clientele they have already attracted. 4. Freelancing your writing. Social media managers promote articles that help businesses grow their customer base and increase sales. The content is written by freelancers. Writing professionals are in great demand right now because more and more businesses seek to develop enduring relationships of trust with their target customers. Great freelance writers stay current with marketing trends and research and are aware of the best content kinds to use at different times. Not only are they adept at explaining complex concepts, but they also understand how to do so in a way that would maximize conversations in a given content format. The content farms and bidding websites where you compete with hundreds of other writers for the same task and can land the jobs if you underquote yourself sufficiently are avoided by well-fed freelance writers. Like any business owner, you must go out and sell your services to your target market, which is typically marketing managers, if you want to be a well-fed freelance writer. According to Indeed, the average employee's salary in the US is $61,000 per year. It depends on your marketing and negotiating abilities if you're a freelancer. Where to look for work? The Freelancer's Writing Den, a $25 a month membership site, is an excellent place to start if you're seeking for high-paying tasks. However, the finest possibilities in this sector come through networking and aggressively pitching to businesses. 5. A resume maker. Although it may appear easy to write a resume, most people frequently struggle to sell themselves. Offer your services to others if you've been successful in attracting a lot of interest from excellent companies based on your resume. You may assist them in making sure that their resumes speak to recruiters by highlighting their successes and the values they can bring to the organization. Similar services can be provided for writing LinkedIn profiles, as many recruiters use this business social network to find potential hires. $15 to $25 an hour on average in the US. Work can be found on Resume Edge. 6. A transcriber. It is necessary for transcriptionists to listen to audio recordings and capture what they hear. You must pay close attention to detail because accuracy is crucial in this situation. You must be able to type quickly for this position. Your advantage is that you earn more each hour the faster you type. $15 to $25 per hour on average in the US. Work is available on TranscribeMe and Rev. 7. Independent web designer. If they want to maintain a living, independent web designers, like independent writers, must sell their skills. Websites that claim to handle your marketing are frequently expensive because you'll be required to perform for very little pay and risk losing money on the offers you accept. Freelance web designers must demonstrate more than just their skill to create attractive websites if they want to stand out from the competition when they directly promote themselves to potential clients. Companies worry about their image, but they frequently care more about their performance. Therefore, well-fed freelance web designers are frequently the ones who are aware of what is effective in CRO and user experience or conversion rate optimization. They get knowledge about how to design websites that encourage users to download files or make purchases. According to Indeed, the average employee salary in the US is $61,000 per year. It depends on your marketing and negotiating abilities if you're a freelancer. Where to look for work? The finest possibilities in this industry are from networking and making direct pitches to businesses. Start by searching for marketing agencies to see if they require assistance managing the clientele they have already attracted. 8. Small-scale freelancing using Fiverr. The largest digital marketplace in the world, Fiverr, allows you to sell nearly anything, including graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and technology, advertising, business, and fun and lifestyle services. Here, you may monetize both your creativity and your profession. Starting at $5 per gig is the average US salary. Fiverr.com is the place to find work. 9. Online recruiter. Recruiters use LinkedIn to search for candidates and post positions online. They decide who would be the potential candidate after reading resumes provided to them and LinkedIn profiles they come across. The first phone interview is frequently conducted by them, and the best candidates are then forwarded to the appropriate management at the business to continue the screening process. Recruiters used to solely work in person, but this has changed and you can now work from home in this position. $20 to $30 an hour on average in the US. Job search resources include Simply Hired and Career Builder. 10. Establish your online influence. Do you have a passion, a pastime, or an interesting life? Are you informed on a subject that many people find difficult? If so, you could wish to establish a blog, podcast, vlog, or be active on a major social media platform. It may take years to establish an audience that is large enough and engaging enough. But if you are accustomed to interacting with people online and have a following that trusts you, it can be worthwhile to treat it as a company. As your audience expands, you'll be able to sell them items and services, such as coaching or consulting. But you'll also be able to support yourself by endorsing other people's goods in exchange for a sponsorship or commission. US median salary. From one person to the next, it varies. For every 1,000 followers you have, you may charge $5 to $10 to post something on Instagram, according to this advice. In other words, you can charge $150 to $300 for each sponsored article you publish if you have 30,000 followers. Where to find work? After you've developed the following, there are many ways to get in touch with brands. If you already have a sizable fan base, you might submit an application to work for influencer talent and marketing companies like Viral Nation or websites like Waller, which pair Instagram influencers with pertinent firms. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss the latest updates. And thank you for watching.